Welcome to Cabin Country 360, the show that shows you the ins and outs of beautiful cabins and their surroundings in Broken Bow and Hochatown, Oklahoma. Today I am standing in front of an amazing cabin. This is called Slideaway Hideaway, which is a 7-bedroom, 6-bath cabin, and I met up with both the owner and the builder today, so let's see what they have to say.
Hey! Welcome to Slideaway Hideaway. My name's David. Ron, my builder here, wanted to bring you along on our little story here of how this cabin came about.
David came to me wanting to create something exciting and fun. And so we put our minds together, we bounced ideas back and forth. We have, things for all the ages, the adults, the kids, hiding places, fun things like Uncle Squatch on the wall, and of course, this amazing slide.
Good coffee.
We've got not only the indoor slide, but we've got this outdoor slide. It's about a 2-story slide. It goes from our upper deck to our lower deck. We've got a 12-person sauna here. We've got an upper hot tub and a lower hot tub down there. Bocce ball court. We've got swings underneath and just an amazing layout that Ron put together for us.
So David wanted enough space to sleep 32 people. So we have 7 bedrooms, 6 baths, 3 different levels.
And don't forget, amazing theater room.
Nice.
So Ron and I were talking about a game room, and we said, well, we need enough room for a 16-foot shuffleboard table, a pool table, a poker table, little bar area, and of course the launch space for the slide. And he nailed it. So why don't we head on up to the 3rd floor and catch a game of pool? What do you say?
Sounds great.
All right. What?
Was that Bigfoot?
Nah.
Let's go play that game full.
All right, let's go. Hey, thank you for coming along with us to our cabin, Slideaway Hideaway. We look forward to having you here. You can look us up on the web at OkieDokeyCabins&Castles. You can go to Facebook at Slideaway Hideaway in Broken Bow. You want to get a hold of Ron. He builds amazing cabins, as you well see. He's RBI Construction.
Okay, so you have to admit that slide was really cool, and I know that you want to do that too as well. In the meantime, if you're looking to promote your cabin with a video or virtual tour, my name's Jeremy West, and you can find me on Cabin Country 360 or Cabin Country 360 Broken Bow Instagram. Until then, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next tour. Ha ha ha!